Hi, it's Sarah and welcome back to Loaves and Dishes. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make these honey mustard glazed carrots. Now, my dog is playing with this squeaky toy in the background. You're probably going to hear it. He's on another level of annoying and obnoxious today, and I'm just going to let him play with this squeaky toy while I talk about this video because it's keeping him busy, okay? Anyways, okay, so I have some carrots. I went to Trader Joe's and I bought the very pretty tri-colored carrots. Now, I bought these because I thought that'll look nice on a video. You don't have to use the tri-colored carrots unless you want to. Apparently, according to Google, there's some added health benefits, something about more beta-carotene. I don't know. But in my opinion, if you're eating any carrot, it's probably a good carrot, even if it does have honey mustard glaze on it. So the carrots don't matter, okay? Buy regular carrots, buy baby carrots. I don't care. I'm peeling them. I rinsed them off. I dried them off. Now I peeled them. And now I am chopping them on a bias. And I'm doing these in about 1/2 inch thick pieces. It doesn't matter. Well, it does matter how big you cut them because it's going to make cooking time be different. You just want them to be even though. So if you cut them smaller, if you cut them thinner, your cooking time is going to be way less than mine. So I put those all in a bowl after I got them cut and I set them aside. Now in a smaller bowl, I'm going to make my honey mustard glaze. This is about 1/4 cup of honey. It's probably a little bit more, just because the honey was running over. And then I'm using 2 tablespoons of a very grainy mustard, which is basically like all grains. And then 2 tablespoons of a Dijon, or a Grey Poupon, if you will. If you want to get real fancy, you can get the Grey Poupon. I just got this stuff from Trader Joe's. And then about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And then I'm going to mix that up. Now you might be asking yourself, Sarah, where's the garlic powder? Where's the salt and pepper? Well, I forgot about garlic powder. You could add some if you wanted some fresh garlic, and this would be delicious. Garlic powder will work just fine. And then salt and pepper is going to come in a minute. I salted and peppered the carrots directly because I thought that the salt would help with the cooking. It would help draw out some of the moisture of the carrots. Anyways, but yeah, I completely forgot about garlic powder. I meant to add it, forgot about it. But these tasted great without it, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, so now in your pan, add your carrots. I put in a little bit of olive oil. And now you're going to cook your carrots. You want to let your carrots cook for a little bit, like 10 minutes or so. I added some salt and pepper as well. These carrots took way longer to cook than I thought they were going to. So you want to let them cook, okay, for like 10 minutes. Put the lid on them, leave them alone. They're probably not going to burn if you keep it over medium heat. And then after about 10 minutes, add your sauce. And the reason I added my sauce about halfway through is because I wanted my sauce to evaporate. If you don't cook this long enough, the sauce isn't going to evaporate enough moisture, and it's not going to be like a glaze. It's going to be more like a soup. So I poured my sauce over, mixed that. I let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, they were fork tender. Finally, they took forever. So that means you just stick a fork in it and it easily passes through. And most of the sauce had been evaporated and it turned into a nice glaze that like clung onto the carrots. That's when you know it's done. I put them in a bowl. I put a little balsamic glaze over the top. That's optional. You don't have to do that. And then a little bit of fresh parsley because it made it look nice. Again, it's optional. You don't have to do that. But there it is. If you want to see the full recipe, be sure to check out loavesanddishes.net. And thanks for watching. Bye.